Hey everybody, what's happening? Hello. I don't know why I talk like this. I think it's me shorts. My undies are on too tight and they're up my butt. God, this is probably the worst beginning of a video I've ever made. And I'm going to keep it in. All right, Corey Draper here. Thanks guys for watching my videos and subscribe if you'd like. I talk a lot about live good. We're living good and we're going to feel good too, I'll tell you what. Okay. When it comes down to YouTube, I'm a big fan. If you're watching my channel, you know that I like to post daily and just talk about live good in any way, shape, or form. And there's definitely a couple different forms of video. Now, this video that you're watching, this is just off I forgot what it's called, a Logitech. And I remember on the outside, if I can squint, it says C920. They're like 75 bucks. So it's basically, you just plug it into a home computer or a laptop, set it where you want, and you can just talk. And right now, they're so clear. I think they're like 4K. So the camera's fine. The audio, I'm assuming you can hear me. So I think with today's technology, if you invest, I don't know, maybe $50 to $100, I'm sure that the Logitechs are probably even cheaper on Amazon. I just walked in a store, Best Buy. I didn't want to wait. I went down there and they had a whole bunch of webcams. Some are super expensive, but I think those are for a whole different dynamic of filming. But if you're just going to chit chat like I do, you can just use your cell phone too. You don't have to have a webcam. So if you're on a budget, these darn things, and they're not, hopefully they're affordable for you. We all know what they cost if you pay cash, huh? Can you believe you'd pay as much? What's funny is my first car was a 70 Chevelle. I paid $1,500 for it in the early 80s. Now they're like 100,000. This phone is about $1,500. And that's, who in the hell would pay this much for a stupid phone? Me. But I do it on payments. And I have that insurance. So if I drop it or screw it up, I have a couple free upgrades or whatever. You just got to do the deductible, but thank God for insurance. But if you want to use these for YouTube, there's obviously two ways. You can put the phone sideways. Is that considered horizontal? Or if you want to be vertical, you hold it straight up. Now, most people hold their phone like this all day, okay? Now, when it comes down to YouTube, let me shrink my face. Okay, this is one of my YouTube channels here. Now, you can see that most of my videos, they're all rectangle-ish. These are obviously on the webcam that I'm talking to you right now, okay? But when you go to your YouTube homepage, see where it says videos and shorts? If you click shorts, no, your pants don't come off and you don't, shorts don't put themselves on while you're sitting here. But if you click shorts, you can see the difference. The phone has to be straight up and down. It's got to be 15 seconds to like 59 seconds. Okay? It can't be 1 second ago. Hi, this is Corey. Live good. Bye. All right? It's got to be about 15 seconds and it's got to be less than 60 seconds. And right now, I'll just look in the camera. Hey, this is Corey. You know what? I'm out here driving right now, going to a car show. When I get back tonight, I can't wait to make a video about my new opportunity. If you guys don't mind, click my link, check it out. It might be something for you guys. But right now, I'm almost at the car show. What a beautiful day. Hope you guys have a good day too. You can just do something random like that. It doesn't always have to be live good, live good, live good, live good. Because after a while, people get sick of live good. I'm sick of live good, and I'm promoting live good right now. So I'm going to make a video about how sick I am making videos about live good. So, and then what I do is I just see in the middle of my video where it says join Corey. That's all I do. I upload the video. It goes fast because if they're only 15 seconds to 60 seconds, and if it goes over 60, it's going to be considered a video, not a short. So just make dang sure it's over 15. And what I do is I look down at my phone when I'm talking, and once I get to 50 seconds, I wrap it up. Because I've done videos before that end at 59, but when it uploads, it goes to 60. And then here I am trying to do a short video, and it goes to normal video, and that's not my goal. So anyway, that's what a short video is. You just hold it straight up and down like I'm holding the phone, and you put it in selfie mode. And if you hate it, you can delete it and do it again. Delete it and do it again. If you want to sit in back of your steering wheel, that's popular. If you want to go outside your backyard, just get like a pretty tree. If you like to walk at the same time, some people they look sideways. They put their phone like this, and they can tell that they're in the screen, and they don't have to be perfectly balanced. But it's like, hey guys, I'm out. I'm walking. It's summertime in Utah. It's going to be 90 today, but I got up a little early. It's only about 80 right now. It feels good. So I'm getting a 2-mile walk in at my favorite park. Then you can kind of show the phone because you're in selfie mode. So just you can say, hey, look at how cool. See the water. This is Sugar House Park, for example. Okay, well, I'm going to go to lunch. And when I get back, I'm going to make some videos about this new opportunity. Check it out. JoinCorey.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Okay, you can do that in 45 seconds easy. Okay, upload it. And when you're uploading it, you can put that Join Corey. You guys will have to figure it out. I can do a video on it, I guess. But when you go to youtube.com, you upload it. There's a button at the bottom, a big plus. And you can put something like that Join Corey in the middle of your screen. I recommend it because it's just not flashy. I'm not pointing. I'm not doing something stupid. I can't stand when a grown-ass man is trying to keep up with kids doing fart jokes. And, you know, I just don't see the value in that. I would rather just talk how I am like this, except do it between 15 to 60 seconds. And then you just got to wrap it up. Get real good at just going, thanks for your time, guys. Please check out joincorey.com. And then just hit stop. That's all you do. But I would talk how I'm talking right now. Just calm, cool. Don't try to talk fast and be funny. And if you don't like looking in the camera, I hate the camera. That's why I look at my center screen and not at my webcam, because I got a light in front of it and it drives me nuts. But you can wear sunglasses. And if you're embarrassed, you don't want your family to listen to you, then just go in the garage, sit behind your steering wheel, put a garbage can in back of you, or put like a mop or something. Make it look like you're really a hardcore garage video producer. Okay? And sometimes it's comforting. Just you sit in your car. Sometimes it's fun just to drive, you know, put your seatbelt on, put your camera facing you, maybe on one of those dash mounts, and just hit play. And while you're driving, hey guys, I'm driving. Man, this is awesome. This is so much easier to just talk a little bit about LiveGood while I'm driving, and hope you guys are doing good. I don't know. There's something nice about just talking and driving. Just be safe. Obviously, you don't want to look in selfie mode and run into a semi truck or drive off a cliff. But anyway, whatever form of video that you like to do, just make sure that if it is a short, that it's 15 to about 59 seconds. Okay. But I still recommend right around 50, just end the damn thing. Don't need to be 59 seconds. There's no value in that extra 10 seconds. And upload them. And then normal video, if you're going to do normal, go back to a webcam like I'm talking to you now, or just flip the phone back to this mode. And if you're in selfie mode, you know, you'll see what you're doing. And go over a minute. I recommend if you're going to do video, at least do 61, 62 seconds. Okay. Competing with the short videos. It's a lot of competition. A lot of people trying to be funny and stepping into fake puddles, and people trying to fake fight and fake this. And, you know, I can tell a mile away. What the videos I can't stand are the ones where they drag them on for 10 minutes and 1 second. Because if they go over 10 minutes, they get 2 commercials instead of pay of 1. So if you notice, they drag on forever. And then when it gets to the 10-minute mark, then they finally end the video. And God, it just drives me nuts. I wish none of them made money doing that. Once they got to 10 minutes, that means you don't make money. So, okay, anyway, I'm dragging on my video right now, and I'm almost going on 10 minutes. I'm at 9:08, it says. So, okay, Corey Draper here. Subscribe to my channel, okay? And go to YouTube anytime. And if you need to get a hold of me, it's Corey@CoreyDraper.com. But any questions you have about LiveGood, just bring them on. I'm glad to help if I can, okay? And that's it. So you guys, I'm going to end this video before 10 because I was making fun of 10-minute videos, and right now it's at 9:32. And I thought it'd be funny if I just dragged it on and ended it at 10:01. But then you guys might be mad at me because right now I got 18 seconds to kill. Should I do it? Should I end it at 9:59 or 10:01 like all those other buttholes I was just making fun of? I've got 10 seconds. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it 10:01. Here it goes. Oh my God, here it goes. 10:01, goodbye.